The Boy Who Couldn't Say No. Chapter 1. The Village and the Boy. In a quiet village nestled between green hills and a flowing river, lived a boy named Leo. At 12 years old, Leo had bright eyes full of kindness and a heart too big for his small frame. He was loved by everyone because he was always willing to help. But Leo had one big problem: he could never say no. Chapter 2. A Busy Morning. One golden morning, the sun painted the sky in soft orange hues as birds chirped outside his window. Leo stretched his arms, rubbing the sleep from his eyes. He could already smell the warm aroma of fresh bread from the kitchen. His mother greeted him with a tired smile. "Good morning, Leo. I need some help. Can you carry these baskets to the market?" Leo's eyes fell on the baskets brimming with fruits and vegetables. They were heavy, but when he looked up at his mother's face, he saw the lines of exhaustion. "Of course, Mom," he said, pushing away the fatigue already creeping into his bones. The journey to the market was long, and the sun beat down mercilessly. By the time they arrived, sweat clung to Leo's skin and his arms ached. But before he could rest, his best friend Ethan ran up to him. Chapter 3. More and more requests. "Leo, let's play football?" Ethan beamed. Leo hesitated. His legs trembled from carrying the baskets. But he hated disappointing people. "Sure," he forced a smile. They ran to the field and Leo gave it his best, but his body felt heavier with every step. His legs wobbled and soon he tripped, landing hard on the dusty ground. Ethan laughed and helped him up. "Let's play again later." Leo only nodded, too exhausted to respond. As he wiped the sweat from his forehead, an old woman called out to him. "Leo dear, can you fetch me some water?" His feet screamed in protest, but he swallowed his discomfort. "Yes, of course." He dragged himself to the well, pulled up the heavy bucket and carried the water back to her. She patted his head, her wrinkled face warm with gratitude. "Such a good boy." Leo smiled, but inside his chest felt tight. He wanted to say no. He wanted to rest. But the words never came. Chapter 4. The Endless Yes. On his way home, his teacher, Mr. Davis, approached him. "Leo, can you stay after school today to help clean the classroom?" Leo's body screamed for rest. He wanted to shake his head to tell his teacher how tired he was. But he forced the words out. "Yes, teacher." Then Mr. Wilson, the old carpenter, called him over. "Leo, my fence is broken. Can you help me fix it?" Leo's arms felt like lead, but he still nodded. "Yes, I'll help." Even a stranger passing through the village saw him. "Boy, can you help me carry this box?" Leo's lips parted, but instead of the no he so badly wanted to say, he heard himself reply, "Yes, sir." By the time he was done, the sun had dipped below the hills, and the sky was a shade of deep purple. His legs wobbled beneath him. Every muscle in his body ached. His breath came in short gasps as he dragged himself home. Chapter 5. The Realization. His mother was waiting at the door. The moment she saw his pale face and trembling hands, she rushed to him. "Leo, what happened?" she asked, guiding him to a chair. Tears burned at the corners of his eyes as he let out a shaky breath. "Mom, I helped so many people today. I carried baskets, played football, fetched water, cleaned the classroom, fixed a fence, carried a heavy box. I wanted to say no, but I couldn't." His mother cupped his face gently. "My dear Leo, helping others is a beautiful thing. But even the sun needs to rest so it can shine again tomorrow." Leo's heart ached with understanding. He had given away all his strength, leaving none for himself. His mother wiped the sweat from his forehead. "Saying no doesn't mean you don't care. It means you respect your own limits. If you don't take care of yourself, how will you keep helping others?" Leo listened, his heart swelling with relief. He never wanted to upset people, but he didn't want to feel this empty either. Chapter 6. learning to say no. The next morning, Ethan found him again. Leo, let's play football? Leo smiled. I'd love to, Ethan, but I'm really tired today. Let's play tomorrow? Ethan blinked in surprise, then shrugged. Okay, that's fine. Leo felt lighter. Ethan wasn't angry. Later, Mr. Davis asked, Leo, can you stay after school to clean again? Leo thought about his unfinished homework. He took a deep breath and said, I'm sorry, teacher, but I need to finish my homework today. Mr. Davis smiled kindly. That's all right, Leo. For the first time in a long while, Leo felt free. From that day on, Leo still helped people, but only when he had the time and energy. And so, he became not just a kind boy, but also a wise one. Dear viewers, what did you learn from this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever struggled to say no? Tell us your experience. Remember, helping others is good, but don't forget to take care of yourself too. Improve your English with us. If you like this story, don't forget to like this video. Comment your favorite part. Subscribe for more fun and easy English stories. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new story. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next video.